Welcome back to Farm West of Boring, where life is anything but boring. Well, it has been really unboring around here recently. I thought I'd give you a little heads up because the YouTube channel has sort of gone dark for a while. Back in January, you may remember that we had a tree fall into our house, a big pine tree. It's about 80 feet tall. Took out the roof. So we were working on that, repairing that roof, and I began having some shortness of breath problems. And you can tell right now, even in talking, it's a little bit difficult. I was diagnosed with heart failure and a leaky aortic valve in my heart. And so we've been working up to surgery, getting all kinds of tests, taking all kinds of medications. And luckily this week, we're going to have the surgery. Going to replace an aortic heart valve. And once that's done, and about 4 to 6 weeks of recovery, I'm hoping I can get back here on the saw, and that will be a great day. So here it is. It's just been sitting here. We have sawed up a few logs since April, but nothing much. So I just thought I'd give you a little bit of heads up. Maybe some of you may be wondering what happened to me, and that's what happened. But other than that, I'm very healthy. Doctor says my heart is very healthy. It's just that valve that has to be replaced, and I have a really good surgeon, and hoping and praying for the best. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and I look forward to getting back to more videos, more sawing logs, more lumber, more projects, and hope you follow along. Thanks a lot.